Hey, welcome back guys to the part 4 of SPFx CRUD operation. In this tutorial, we are going to cover the edit functionality in Fluent UI detail list. I've already covered adding the data, getting the data from SharePoint list, adding the data to the SharePoint list in a part 1, 2 and 3. So if you haven't watched that, I'll recommend you to watch that as well, because the PnP config and all those stuff has been done in part 1. So you can watch that. I'll give the link in the description. Talking about this, I have the edit functionality. Means there is this uh, column. If I click on edit icon, I'll be able to see this row as edited. I can add the detail here, Franco. I can change the detail from marketing to finance. I can do it as 8, and I can select as a not active, and I can save it. If I go to the SharePoint list, it will be John. Now it has been changed to John Franco. And if I save it, you can see it has been changed to finance experiences 8, and it is not active. So same way, the add functionality was also covered, where we can add the data. If I go here, if I click on add, I can add the data here. I can add name Shankar, and maybe from IT experience would be 4, is active, yes, and I can save it. And if I see in the list, I'll be able to see the data here. So that is what we are going to do in this tutorial. We are going to create the edit functionality. From part 1 to 3, I have done getting the data and adding the data to SharePoint list. So we are going to work on that project only. And if you've directly jumped into this tutorial, I will recommend to watch that tutorial so you will get the better idea. What I will do, I will close this. I will close the Visual Studio Code as well. I will go to the folder here, L drive, in YouTube, SPFx CRUD operation. I will open with code. The first thing that I will do is I will do the gulp serve. Oh, it has been reloaded. Here we'll do the workbench. How you can get this is you can get this layout workbench and just add it after your site. So this will be your site and this will be your layout. Here I will add the web part and I will click on add employee. We will get the data from the list. I can add the detail. So here it will be Jane, marketing experience will be 9, active, yes. Save it. So this will get saved. If you can see, it has been saved here. And if I refresh this, I'll be able to see the data here. You can add the uh, you know larger to smaller, so this way you will be able to see the updated data or newly added data at top. This, and now what I will do, we will start with the coding. For this, I will go to the code and I will stop with gulp serve, control C. So first thing that we have to do is we have to declare the variable inside the uh, interface. So here it will be edit employee ID will be optional, same way as new employee, and this will be of number type. Then we will have the edited employee. This will be optional and it will be of employee type. We are done with this. Here we have to initialize that, and both this variable will be undefined. So edit employee undefined, comma, edited employee, again undefined. This is done. Now if you will see, when we were having this this detail list, in the action there was nothing present, so we have to add the icon of edit. So that we will do now. I will go to the column, get column, and in the column 5 here, at the return, when there is nothing, like there is no condition, when we haven't clicked on new employee or edit employee. For edit employee we will write it, but by default it will be icon. So icon button, we'll close it here, not like this, maybe can delete this and add it here only. Inside this it will be icon props, curly bracket open close, curly bracket open close. Icon name will be single quotes edit, and then outside this icon properties we will have the title, double quotes, it will be edit, and that's it. We'll be able to see the edit icon, but for that also we have to write the function. Means when we click on edit, first I'll do the gulp sub again and we will see how it looks. I will refresh this. You can see we have the edit icon, but when we click on it nothing happens. So we have to write the function, we have to add the, this text box, drop down and all those stuff. So that is what we are going to do. Here I will again stop this, and at the top, before add employee, here I will add another function, private handle edit employee is equal to round bracket emp employee, and it will be I employee type and void curly bracket this dot set state round bracket open close curly bracket edit employee id will be emp dot id, right? This all thing was done in part 1, part 2, comma edited employee will be dot dot dot, because with previous employee we will be updating the employee, right? So this is what it will be, and it will be type of clone. We'll get the one newly added row, not newly added but updated row, where we will get the data. So I will show you that what I'm saying, but this, after this, we have to come here in the get columns. Here also, before this also we have to call it, because we have added the icon in the get columns. Here we will do the on click curly bracket, inside that will be round bracket this dot handle edit employee round bracket, and it will be item, because we are editing with id, that is the reason I've added. With this we won't be able to see the edited row, right, in the detail list. For that, what we have to do, we have to, so in here we have to add the two more thing. First will be edit employee id and edit ted employee, these two things, and after that we will have the edit employee. So here the way we have written, if we have to come here, if edit employee id triple equals item dot id, then what we will do, we will return text field only. So I mean, if you want to, you can get this text field, or you can write the text field here, text field value, not double quotes, but this round bracket edited employee question mark dot title. So inside that we will get the title and all those stuff. If not, then we will get the empty string. And on change round bracket open close underscore comma val equals to arrow, then we will check if it is there. If not edited employee, then we will return. Means when uh, it is undefined or something, then it will not return anything. And this dot set state round bracket open close curly bracket edited employee, then it will be edited. So inside this triple dot edited employee comma title, it will be value val whatever like this, right? We have, or it will be empty. This is done. We will add the closing, and after this closing, and after this is for this, and this is for the closing of on change. We will close our text field. This is done. I will close the return as well, right? The same way we have to write it for different fields, which are department now. So same way, what I will do, I will get this if condition in the closing of this. If I will add this if condition, I will close it here and return. Also guys, if you want to check this in more readable format, I will just format the document, so you can just go ahead, you can check this. This is how it will be. We have edit, uh, return, then text field value will be like this, on change will be like this. If not edited employee, we will return nothing. This is how it will be. And for department, we are here. Inside this we will return round bracket, we will have the drop down, and we will safely close it here only. Okay, what happened? Add missing attributes. We will add that, needs attributes. So for option, it will be always this department option that we have. So department option selected key that we have will be edited employee question mark dot department, or it will be undefined. Now comes the on change. So here I will do this on change curly bracket, inside that round bracket underscore comma option and equals to arrow. If not edited employee, if it is not edited employee, then we will just return this dot set state, whatever is there, edited employee colon dot edited employee comma department option. So take this, whatever we have assigned here, just get this option comma dot key as string, close it. This is for your set state, and here it will be closed, and you can close it here. Again, what I will do, I will format the document so you will be able to get the better and readable structure. This is how it will be. We are done with this. We have closed the employee ID for department. We have closed it. Now comes the column 3, which is the experience. So same way, just copy this again here. Copy this one because it is edited employee, right? And come here, closing of this if new employee. So after closing of this, just add this and close the edited edit employee ID. Here we will return, again we will be returning the text field only. So text field type will be number. What I will do, I will close it here only, right? And value will be edited employee question mark dot experience dot toString, because it is of number type. We have to change it in a string toString, or it will be 0, right? This is done. We have to work on change now. So on change round bracket underscore comma value val arrow equals to arrow. Inside this, if, again same way, not edited employee, then we will just return. It will return nothing, and then this dot set state round bracket. Inside this, we will have the edited employee curly bracket dot edited employee comma experience. This experience is of number capital 1, and same way we have to get this val or it will be 0, right? This is done. We'll close this here. We are closing of our text field here. We'll add the comma and value. What happened to the value? Oh, we have to add it in the string because we have given it as a string. I have to add it like this. Sorry, didn't saw. Yeah, this is done. Again, I will do the formatting maybe just for this. Go here, I will do the format document. So this is how it will be. This is done. Now we have the column 4. So again, same way, just get this. We have to come here, add this, close it. Inside this, we will do the return round bracket. It will be checkbox. I will just close it here itself. Inside checkbox, there will be this checked is equal to if it is edited, employee is active dot is active. So it will be checked or else it will not be checked. So we'll return false because it is of Boolean type. Then we will have the on change. So on change, inside curly bracket, we will have the round bracket underscore checked is equal to arrow, and then if not edited employee, return this dot set state. Inside this, we will have the edited employee colon curly bracket dot dot dot. Then we will have the edited employee comma is active, then checked, else it will be false. This is done. Close it. Close this also. I will format this. So let's do the gulp sub and let's see if we are seeing the edited row in the detail list. So what I'll do, I will do the gulp sub. Okay, so this has been reloaded. What I will do, I will refresh this and I will select some data. Maybe I'll edit this Stevens data. You can see the Stevens data has been edited. We can see it, but we are still able to see this icon. We should not see that. We should be seeing the save icon there. What we have to do for that is, again, I will just stop it. Our fifth column here, same way you can get this. Now this, get this, and here after this if condition of new employee, we are here, we will add this, just close it. And here what we have to do, we have to return root primary button text update. Okay. And again I will just format this and I will do the gulp sub again. It has been reloaded. I will go here, I will refresh this. It has been refreshed. Maybe I'll edit Stevens data. You can see it has been edited and I can see the update button here. So it is done. But if I change anything, if I change it to something else, right? If I change it to something else and if I click on update, it is not going to update it because we haven't wrote the function for that. So that is what we are going to do now. We'll write the function to update the data. So here inside this TSX, above our get columns, here what we will do, we will work on our last function, which will be handle save edit employee. So it will be again private handle save edited employee. It will be of async round bracket open close promise void const. We have to declare the edited employee here is equal to this dot state semicolon if not edited employee or not edited employee dot id, means user hasn't edited or there is no id present, then we will just return. I'll stop this for now. Just then we will have the try curly bracket, we'll have the catch error have the console dot error, and it will say error updating user or maybe employee comma error. Done. Now we have to work with the catch, so just enter and we'll start from here. Await this dot sp dot web dot list dot get by title round bracket double quotes. We have the list name, so just get this. You can get the list name from your the list. This is your list name, or you can get it from here. This is the correct list name that you will have in between the list and the all items, so you can get that. You can just paste it here dot items dot get by id edited employee id dot id, and it will be for edit, so it will be update round bracket curly bracket. Inside this will be title. So what you can do in the adding the new employee, we have already done this, so you just get that and you just paste it here. Instead of new employee, it will be edited employee. Same way it will be edited employee. This will be also edited employee. This will be also edited employee. So inside this it will be like this, and we will be closing this await here, and then we will have the this dot set state. Again, I guess we have it in it. No, we don't have it. So set state, we have this previous round bracket. Inside round bracket we will have the curly bracket employees, previous employee or employees dot map round bracket e dot id triple equals edited employee dot id else edited employee colon E. This is done. After that, we will have the comma, and after this, we will have the edit employee ID, again undefined, comma, edited employee, again it will be undefined, because once we edit it, it will be again undefined because we haven't selected anything. Once it is done, when we save it, again the edited employee should be undefined, means the previous data shouldn't be selected. It should go, we'll remove that ID from it, or we will remove the edited data from it. So after that, what we will do, once it is removed and everything happened, once we edit the data, we'll do the success message and string literal, windows plus dot period, the pen icon for edit, space, dollar sign, curly bracket, edited employee dot title has been updated successfully, right? This is done now. What do we have after this? We have the set timeout, so we have to do that, but we have to come outside this set state. Set timeout, round bracket is the function, right? The predefined one. So equals to arrow this dot set state, round bracket. So here what we have to do, we have to hide the success message after 3 seconds. So success message will be nothing after 3 seconds. So comma 3000, done, and just do the semicolon. Go to the fifth column that we have, and here for update we have to write the on click. So on click this dot handle save edit employee. We are done with this. I will do the gulp serve and we will try to edit, and we will see if we are able to edit the row or not. So it has been reloaded. We will go to our page. I will refresh this, and we have data available. What I will do, I will edit Stevens, maybe I'll edit Shankar's data. Here I will add Yadav, and I will do it finance. I'll add experiences 5. Is active, nothing. I will update this. Data has been updated here, but let's go and let's see here. So here also the data has been updated. So we are done with editing the data and updating in the SharePoint list as well. It is done. We are done with part 4. The last one will be part 5, where we have to delete the row from here to SharePoint list. So that is what we are going to cover in part 5. So that is it with today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, editing the data from SPFX web part to SharePoint list. And if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with part 5. Thank you and bye.